Let's start a watermelon journey with me.
Hi, welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So you must be wondering what is that. So this is watermelon, tormuz, what we can say. By the way, it's 23rd July 2025, and this is my tormuz from my kitchen garden. Basically, I had three watermelon, but due to heavy rain, rest three was gone. So I don't know that it's heavy. It's very heavy, so I'm going to cut it. I don't know that it will be red or not, because it's very small, but in the kitchen garden, rooftop kitchen garden, you can see that how watermelon can be. It cannot be a big one, but that is okay. This year, like full coffee, cauliflower, now watermelon, and the entire journey I captured. So I will share in the next video. So stay tuned to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and Facebook definitely, and Instagram, yeah, Google Madhurima's kitchen. So I'm going to cut it.
This was early May, and you can see this is how watermelon actually grows from tinny watermelon. First I thought it's a jinga, but it's not. Hello, this is Madhurima's kitchen, and it's early morning, 5:45 a.m. So today I'm going to show you a very cute thing. This is the first time I just drew it. Oh, by the way, it's 11th of June 2025. So can you see what's that? This is not a mango. This is tarmooj or watermelon. So let's see, I can grow how many, but right now I can see only two, and let me show you. It's hiding actually. So these are two. So I'm trying to do a series. So today I can see this much, and there is another one, a smaller one. First I thought this is perwal or potol. So you can see this is my tub, and I cover it because of pigeon and crow. Not much of help, but I'm trying to. So these are the flower at okay, this is the flower basically, and these are the small one, and oh, see, another cute one. I saw another one, but I don't know where it is. So as of now, 11 June 2025, and let's see when I can get the right one. Oh, another one. You can see it's summer. That's why it's so hot, and no idea that it can survive or not. Like you can see, one couldn't. Every day I'm watering, but it's in rooftop, so I don't know. And this is the first time I'm growing this, and I have to be very careful from pigeon and crow. So as of now, signing off. It was the funny thing that first I thought it's jinga, then potol, because the flower, I was really confused. 25th June, and it's 6 a.m. Let's see how is my tormuz. So this is the small one. Okay, it is not good right now, and there I can see two. One, this is the new one, and there is another. They will always hide, you see. First I thought it's a papaya, but it's not papaya. It's very heavy actually. Here, let me show you. So this one, it will grow more, so it's hidden over here. Every alternative day I was checking if it's grown or not. 9th of July 2025, 7:30 a.m. আজকে ভারত বন্ধ, and আজকে ছাদে এসেছি. 7th and 8th July it was heavy rain. So let me see how is my tormuz or watermelon. Bapre, that pigeons and crow. So how was my kitchen garden? This is my rooftop kitchen garden. Let me see. Here everything is scattered, and দেখি এত বৃষ্টিতে আছে না পচে গেছে. Still it's one is rotten. You see, কিচ্ছু করার ছিল না. তরমুজ গেছে, Small one is there. Arre bapre, the big one is still there. Hope for the best. আর কি বলবো? So here 1 and 2. Only one could survive, আরেকটা কাকে নিয়ে গেছিল. Finally, July 2025, due to heavy rain, I couldn't save all the tarmooj or watermelon. Only one I had, that is my mom. She took it, and it was really very sweet and tasty. It was red inside. Hopefully next year maybe I can grow something. I don't know, because this year it's so much rain. Everything is gone. Like my mango tree is there. Other than that, every tree is gone.
Ta-da! This is the red watermelon. So this is what I can grow also. Stay tuned to watch that journey. I am going to enjoy it.